If you struggle with sunburn, dull skin irritation, so I have a simple homemade cream that might become your new favorite because it is made with ingredients you probably have at home. To make this cream, you will need palm oil. Oil has been used for generations in skincare, especially in West Africa. Palm oil is rich in nutrients like fatty acid, vitamin A and E. It will help to deep moisturize, prevent dryness, keep your skin soft, smooth, protect your skin from free radical damage, reduce appearance of fine lines, improve your skin appearance, and also it will help to relieve itchy skin or skin irritation. Into the bowl, I'm going to be adding hot water. This will help to warm up the palm oil. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. You can decide to use the fresh one. Aloe vera will help to soothe, hydrate the skin. This palm oil and aloe vera cream is so effective if you have sunburn, dry skin, dull skin, or skin irritation. Apply this. It will help to nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, soften your skin, and give you a natural glow. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this aloe vera and palm oil cream. This is so hydrating, moisturizing cream that you need if you are suffering from sunburn, dry skin, or if you want to moisturize your skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching. Just apply a small amount to your skin daily after shower.